होतंय का नाही काय माहित नाही.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 22 students have joined. What about remaining student? Wait few minutes, then we will continue. Okay. Here roll number 1 is there. Okay, Disha. Lecture. Okay, in last lecture already we discussed about the SOP form, right? What is the convert SOP to standard SOP form? What is the first procedure? That is find the missing literal in each product term, if any. Then step number 2, each product term having missing literals with term formed by ORing the literal and its complement. Step number 3, expands the term by applying distributive law and reorder the literals. Step number 4, reduce the repeated product terms. Okay, means in step number 1, what is the condition? First, find out the missing literals. Okay, missing literals means which term is missing from your given example. Second step, what is the second step? Add and each product term having missing literal. Okay, मिसिंग लिटरल जो आहे तो तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, और करायचं आहे, मीन्स ऍड करायचं आहे तुमच्या प्रोडक्ट मध्ये. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 3, एक्सपेंड्स दी टर्म बाय अप्लाइंग अँड देन अप्लाय डिस्ट्रीब्युटिव्ह लॉ अँड रिऑर्डर दी लिटरल्स. मीन्स जे काही तुम्ही ऑरिंगनी जी लिटरल्स मिसिंग आहेत ते मेन्शन केलेले आहेत, ऍड केलेले आहेत, त्याचं काय करायचंय, मल्टिप्लिकेशन विथ नेक्स्ट टर्मशी करायचं आहे आणि रिड्यूस दी रिपीटेड प्रोडक्ट टर्म्स. ओके, रिपीटेड टर्म्स रिड्यूस करणार आहात म्हणजे डबल ज्यावेळेस टर्म्स होते त्याचं सिंगल तुम्ही नोट डाऊन करू शकता. हे आपण एक एक्झाम्पल पण बघितलेलं आहे. विथ दी हेल्प ऑफ दिस कन्व्हर्जन रूल्स or conversion steps. One example was there, means this example is there. First, what is this is the example ABC, AB plus BC plus AC. Find the missing literals in each product, means function ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, this is the example. Find the missing literals, means what is the missing literals in that? Here is the C is missing in first term, then second term A is missing. Okay, here is the C is missing, here A is missing, and in third term B is missing. Okay, this is the first step. What is the next step? Step number 2, and the product term with missing literal its complement. Okay, तुमचा जो काही missing literal आहे तो add करायचा आहे with their complement. Okay, here C is missing, so add C plus C bar. C is the literal and this is the complement. Okay, complement for this missing literal. Next, here A is missing, so add literal with complement literal. Okay, A plus A bar, and here is the B is missing, so B plus B bar. This is the second step. Okay, what is the third step? In third step, expand the term and reorder the literals, means here multiply this term with bracket term. Okay, so what is the answer? ABC plus ABC bar plus ABC plus A bar BC plus ABC plus A B bar C. This is the expand and reorder with your product. Okay, so in step number 4, omit repeated product terms. Omit means काढून टाका. ज्या repeated terms आहेत त्या तुम्ही काढून टाकायच्या आहेत. Okay, so what is the next? Which are the repeated terms? Which is the repeated term? ABC. Here is ABC again, here is ABC again, here is ABC. So omitted this repeated product, take only one time, that is the ABC plus remaining term as it is. So this is the final answer for your SOP to standard SOP conversion. Okay, so these are the 4 steps for converting the SOP to standard SOP form. So next conversion is POS to standard POS form. What is the answer or what is the change in that? One minor change in that. All steps are same, only minor changes. Here find the missing literal in each sum term if any. Same step number 1. In step number 2, what is the change? Here in SOP and is mentioned and here is or is mentioned. Okay, only reverse condition is there. Okay, here in SOP and is mentioned, right? So here only or is mentioned, and in step number 3 and 4 as it is for SOP form. Okay, only change in step number 2. So how to convert POS to standard POS form? We will take one example. Everyone write down these things or only write down step number 2 because remaining steps are same. Only write down step number 2. Write down step number 2. Completed? Yes or no? Completed?
No, ma'am.
झालं मॅम.
Completed? Completed, yes or no? Okay. So take one example. This is a POS example. Okay. Here is a product was there. So here is a, or which type of example, SOP or POS?
POS.
POS.
Okay. So first step number 1, find the missing literal in each sum product. Here is a C is missing, right now? Literal C is missing for first step. In second term, literal A is missing, and in third step, literal B is missing. Everyone got it? Which term is missing? In first term, which term is missing?
C.
C. In second,
A. A.
third,
B.
which literal?
B.
Okay.
B.
Okay, literal B is missing. So what is the next step? Or the sum term with missing literal its complement. Okay, आपण मगाशी काय करत होतो? इन एसओपी फॉर्म मध्ये काय करत होतो? इथे काय केलेलं आहे? A plus B here plus C into C dash केलेला आहे, राईट? आणि एसओपी फॉर्म मध्ये सेकंड स्टेप काय केलेली आहे आपण? Here AB product is there and here again multiply with sum, राईट ना? मल्टिप्लाय विथ C प्लस C बार करत होतो. म्हणजे काय करत होतो आपण इथं? कोणतं लॉजिक यूज करत होतो? एसओपी. एसओपी मध्ये काय असते? सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट असते, म्हणून इथे सम घेतलेली आहे. ओके, समनी फर्स्ट लिटरल सेम अँड ऍड विथ कॉम्प्लिमेंट लिटरल विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह. मिसिंग टर्म, जी मिसिंग टर्म आहे त्या मिसिंग टर्मचं काय घेणार आपण? लिटरल घेणार प्लस त्याचाच तुम्ही काय घेणार? कॉम्प्लिमेंट घेणार. आणि पीओएस मध्ये काय करणार आहे तुम्ही? प्रोडक्ट घेणार आहे त्याचा. ओके, तिथं ऍडिशन घेत होता, इथं प्रोडक्ट घेत होता, आणि इथं मल्टिप्लाय करत होता, इथं ऍड करायचं आहे. ओके, ओनली डिफरन्स इज देअर. हा फक्त डिफरन्स आहे. म्हणजे काय करतोय तुम्ही? मिसिंग लिटरल्स अँड देअर कॉम्प्लिमेंट. इथून सी आहे, इथून ए आहे, आणि इथून थर्ड टर्म मधून बी आहे. त्याचं काय घेतलेलं आहे? फक्त प्रोडक्ट घेतलेला आहे, कारण प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम चे एक्झाम्पल आहे म्हणून. ओके, सो ऍड हियर सी इंटू सी बार, ऍड हियर ए इंटू ए बार in second term, and in third term add b into b bar. Okay, so what is the third step? Third step, this is the second step, right? Now expand and reorder means a plus b plus c into here a plus b plus c dash. ओके, काय केलंय? ओनली सेपरेट केलेला आहे. हा जो ऍडिशनचा पार्ट आहे तो काय केलेला आहे? सेपरेट केलेला आहे. म्हणजे ह्या पार्टचं कन्व्हर्जन कुठपर्यंत आहे? फर्स्ट पार्टचं कन्व्हर्जन कुठपर्यंत आहे तुमचं? इथपर्यंत. ओके, हिअर इज द फर्स्ट टर्म. नेक्स्ट बी प्लस सी. आता काय करायचं आहे? तुम्ही ज्यावेळेस प्लस प्लस घेत जाताय त्यावेळेस इथं काय करायचं आहे? प्लस साइन कशाने रिप्लेस करायचा आहे? डॉटने रिप्लेस करायचा आहे. बिकॉज हिअर सी, फर्स्ट सी मल्टिप्लाय विथ, सॉरी, फर्स्ट सी ऍड विथ दिस प्रोडक्ट और दिस ब्रॅकेट. नेक्स्ट सी बार ऍड विथ फर्स्ट term. Okay, so this is the first term calculation. What is the second part? Here is the second part. Okay, here is the second part. So what is the second part? Solve second part. What is the answer in second part? This is the second part. Okay, and this is the third part. I will give different color because your understanding purpose. Okay, so this is the red part is the first part, green part is the second part calculation, and in a violet color is the third part calculation. Okay, so everyone got it, how to expand these terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if calculation is over, then omit repeated sum terms. Okay, कोणत्या repeated sum terms आहेत आता इथे?
A plus B plus C.
Good. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. These are the repeated terms. So omit these repeated terms, only put one time. Okay, A plus B plus C 3 times आहे तर तुम्ही काय करू शकता? You can put only one time, and remaining part mention as it is. So this is the final answer for your POS standard form. Okay, everyone got it, how to calculate SOP and POS form?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next, here is a test. I have already discussed this test in last lecture. Only find out. In last lecture, I have mentioned this, convert the SOP to simple SOP to standard SOP. But one mistake is there, not found the or not convert the this term to standard SOP form. Only find out the mean terms. Mean terms means M0, M2, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. All because here all three things are there. On three variables are there. इथे already 3 variables आहेत. Missing term कोणतेही नाही आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही इथं काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे की मीन टर्म्स फक्त. मीन टर्म्स मीन्स सर्च बायनरी नंबर फॉर दॅट अँड व्हॉट इज द मीन टर्म पोझिशन. सो टेल मी व्हॉट इज द मीन टर्म हियर? A bar, B bar, C. So what is the notation or what is the value for A bar? Mean terms mean SOP form. Mean terms mean SOP form. 0. Then again here B bar means
1.
0.
0.
0, 0, 0.
0.
So what is the mean term here?
M0.
M.
Small or
M0.
capital?
Small.
Small m.
Good. Here is a small m0. Next,
0.
0, 1, 0.
1.
what is the mean term for that? M,
M2.
M2. Here,
0, 1, 1.
0, 1, 1.
what is the mean term?
M3.
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 M3. And here,
1, 1, 1.
1, 1.
1, 1, 1. What is the mean term here?
M4.
M7.
M7. Likewise. Okay. One mistake in last lecture. No conversion there. So you can solve likewise remaining 2 examples. Okay. Take one screenshot for this slide and solve remaining 2 examples. Everyone taken a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how to represent your mean term? Suppose you have given one example, that is function ABC. Okay, here is a function ABC. One example is there, A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A bar B C plus ABC. This is the SOP form. Okay, so in SOP form, what is the here value? M0 plus M2 plus M3 plus M7. Already discussed in last slide. So how to represent this term? Here is the example of SOP form. So what is the notation for SOP? Summation, like no? Summation. And put small m in bracket 0, 2, 3, 7. Okay. This is the solution for these mean terms. Everyone got it? How to write or how to way to represent mean terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here is the second example, A bar B bar C plus A bar B C plus AB bar C plus ABC. So here is the value for 0, 0, 1. So M1, here is value 0, 1, 1. So M3, here is value 0 1 0 M5 and here is the 1 1 1, so M7 is there. So only put here is the summation M in bracket. What is the position here? M1 means 1, here M3 means 3, here M5 means 5, and here is the M7 means 7. This is the representation of your mean terms. Okay, everyone got it? How to write mean terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the SOP form. Okay, here is the max term. What is the answer for here? Here is the in max term, A represent,
0. 0.
0.
0.
0,
B
0.
represent 0.
0.
Again C represent 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. What is the answer? 0 again. Okay.
M0.
So first position is the M0. Okay. Next, A plus B bar plus C. What is the answer? Here is the
0.
M0. Dot.
0.
Then 0 1 0. What is the final answer? 0 plus 1 plus 0 1. Right now. So here is the M1. Next, dot A, B bar, C bar. 0 plus 1 plus 1. Sorry, here is the M2 na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here is 0, 1, 1. What is the answer?
M3.
M3.
M3. And here is dot A bar, B bar, C bar. 1, 1, 1. What is the answer?
M7.
M7.
M7. So how to represent in POS form?
Pi capital M.
Good. Pi capital M in bracket 0, comma
2, 3,
2, comma 3,
3,
comma
7.
7. This is the representation of SOP form. All of you take screenshot also for this slide and solve remaining 2 examples. Have you taken screenshot for this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in minimization technique, algebraic simplification already over. K-map. I have already discussed two variable K-map, 3 variable K-map, and 4 variable K-map. How to represent your variations or inputs, their positions. I have already discussed. Okay. Suppose in your example, 2 variables is there. So how many positions are there?
4.
In which formula you have decided?
2 raised to n.
2 raised to
N.
okay. Suppose you have to given 4 variable K-map. So how many positions are there?
16.
16.
16. Okay. So here is the K-map representation. Okay. Means cell is equal to 2 raised to n, and where n is a number of variables. Means what? Karnaugh map. You can call also Karnaugh map or K-map. And these used to simplify logic problems with 2, 3 and 4 variable. Okay. Means here is a cell is equal to 2 raised to n, means n is the number of your variables. Suppose you can give the 2 variables, then your map consisting 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4 cells as shown in figure. So here is the 2 variable, means what? Suppose A and B, there is a 2 variables. So how to write? Only 2 input is there. Okay. Means 0, either 1. Okay. Here 0, either 1. So what is the representation for this term? Here is a 0, 0. And max term is considered. In max term, what happened in max term? 0 means A. Okay, plus 0 here 0. Consider only this way. Wait, consider only these things. Okay, because here is the 0 and here is the 0. Here A means A and 1 means A bar in max term, right now? Here also B bar and here is the B in max term. So what is the answer for this term? 0, 0. So A plus B. Sorry, in max term, here is the B. Everyone got these things? For this
Yes,
position?
ma'am.
Okay. In next position, consider this column and this row. Okay. So what is the answer? Here is the A bar plus B. Okay. Consider in third term,
Ma'am, voice clear येत नाही
consider
ma'am.
this column. Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here is A bar. Okay. Consider this column with this row. Okay. So what is here? Value 1. 1 means A bar plus what is here? B plus B. In next position, what we'll do? Consider this column with this row. Means what is here value? A plus B bar. Okay. Next here, A bar plus B bar. Okay. Everyone got it? How to calculate this term? If you consider min term, then what happen? Observe here. Suppose you have to min term, then what happen? A, B, two inputs, sorry, one input and one output is there. 0, 1 or here put 0, 1. Okay. So in SOP form, what happened? 0 consider as a
A
bar
bar.
value. Okay. And here A. Next, here B bar.
B bar.
Here is B. Okay. So what happened in this term? Consider first position. So what is the answer for first position? Consider first column, first row. So here is the A bar dot B bar because sum of product. Okay. तुम्हाला product घ्यायचं आहे इथं आणि इथं काय घ्यायचंय? Product of sum. Okay. So here is the position again 1, 0. So what is the answer? A, B bar. Okay. Consider this column with this row. A, B bar. Next, here is the position. Consider this column with this row. Means here is the A bar. Then here is the B. And consider this position with this column and this row. So what is the answer? A, B. Okay. Actually, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही example solve करसाल त्यावेळेस तुमचं clear idea होऊन जाईल. Okay. Only you can concentrate how to write and what is the position. Okay. You can consider only 0, 1, 0, 1. Here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. In min term, what happened? Or in SOP, what happened? A 0 represented as a complemented value and in max term, 1 represented as a complement value. Only one difference is there. You can remind this difference and you can solve example depending on these things. Okay. So in next, suppose two variable came up. What happened in two variable came up? 4 positions are there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is the x1, x2, x1, x2. Here is the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. तुम्ही असं पण लिहू शकता 0, 1, 2, 3. ओके. किंवा तुम्ही असं पण लिहू शकता 0, 1, 2, 3. ओके. पण ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही इनपुट इथे घेत असाल x1 इज अ इनपुट अँड x2 ऍज अ आउटपुट. ओके. असं घेत असाल त्यावेळेस तुम्ही कुठल्या वेने लिहिणार आहात? हॉरिझॉन्टल वेनी. ओके, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही इथे x1 लिहिताय त्यावेळेस पोझिशन कुठून स्टार्ट करणार तुम्ही, व्हर्टिकल. म्हणजे इनपुट कुठं घेताय त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड आहे. येते का सगळ्यांच्या लक्षात? मी x1 कुठं घेतलेला आहे, ह्या लाईनच्या खाली घेतलेला आहे. ओके, बिलो दिस लाईन. सो आय विल मूव हॉरिझॉन्टल वे. 0 1 2 3. सपोज you have to write down x1 in a row with this line. Okay, x1 means input, so you can write horizontal way 0 1 2 3. So also you can put m0 m1 m2 m3. Suppose you write down this way, that is the horizontal way. You can put m0 m1 m2 m3 horizontal way. Okay, this is the horizontal way, this is the vertical way. Okay, ordering of variable is important because x1 x2, suppose x1 is the row. Okay, x1 जर तुम्ही रो कन्सिडर केली तर x2 काय असणार आहे तुमचा, कॉलम असणार आहे. ओके, मीन्स सेल 0 रिप्रेझेंट x1 बार x2 बार and सेल 1 रिप्रेझेंटेड x1 बार x2 एक्सेट्रा. ओके, हा वे सगळ्यांच्या लक्षात आला का, कसं रिप्रेझेंट करणार आहे ती. इनपुट जर तुम्ही लाईनच्या खाली घेत असाल किंवा x1 जर तुम्ही लाईनच्या खाली घेत असाल तर हॉरिझॉन्टल वेनी तुम्ही 0 1 2 3 पोझिशन लिहिणार आहात. आणि जर x1 तुम्ही लाईनच्या वरती घेत असेल, म्हणजेच इनपुट तुम्ही लाईनच्या वरती घेत असेल तर तुम्ही काय करणार आहे, 0 1 2 3 लिहिणार आहात. ओके, सपोज हिअर टेक a and b. Okay, a is the input, b is the output, so you can put likewise 0 1 2 3. Suppose here is a and here is a b, means a is the input, b is output. You can put this way, so you can write down 0 1 2 3. Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So again, 3 variable K map. What is the 3 variable K map? C cell is equal to 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Here is the AB input. Okay, AB input, C is the output. So put AB in a vertical direction, means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, likewise means here is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. तुमचं इनपुट कुठं आहे, वरती आहे, आउटपुट कुठं आहे, खाली आहे, 0 1. So here is a 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and here is the 0 and 1. Okay, everyone got it? How to write? I have already discussed how to write positions. Okay, here is the 3 variable K map and last one is the 4 variable K map. Okay, means here is the input AB, here is the output CD. So what happened? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This is the standard representation. Okay, in every time you write down this way, 0 0 0 1, then 1 1 and last one is a 1 0. Okay, here is same 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so in consider in a SOP form. So 0 0 means A bar B bar, here 0 0 means C bar D bar. Okay, 0 consider as a bar value or complemented value. This is the position or 4 variable K map representation. Okay, you can write down this way also, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then 11, then 12 13 14 15. Likewise, everyone got it, how to write 4 variable K map? Take one screenshot for this slide or you can write down this table. This is the example we will take in a next lecture. Okay, up to this you can write down 4 variable K map. Give me attendance. Everyone write down. 1. Roll number 1. Give me attendance. Roll number 1.